When the wheels come off, understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase: the wheels come off. This idiom might conjure up images of a vehicle suddenly becoming immobile, but as we'll see, its meaning goes far beyond literal interpretations. So, buckle up as we decode this expression and learn how to use it in everyday conversations. At first glance, the wheels come off seems to describe a situation where, literally, the wheels detach from a vehicle, leading to a sudden halt. However, in idiomatic English, this phrase is used to describe a situation where things suddenly go wrong after a period of success or stability. It's as if a smoothly running operation suddenly encountered an unexpected problem that caused it to stop functioning properly. For instance, if a project at work was progressing well but suddenly encountered a series of problems, you might say, everything was going fine until the wheels came off. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings more intuitively. The phrase, "the wheels come off," is believed to have originated from early 20th century car racing, a time when the durability and reliability of vehicles were not as advanced as they are today. During races, it was not uncommon for the literal wheels of a car to come off, leading to dramatic and unforeseen halts in the race for the affected driver. Over time, this literal occurrence translated into a metaphorical expression used to describe any situation that suddenly goes awry. To get comfortable with this expression, let's look at a few examples. After the lead actor forgot his lines, the wheels really came off the theater production. The event was going smoothly until the power outage made the wheels come off. Our team was leading the project, but the wheels came off when we lost our main sponsor. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from events and projects to personal plans and ambitions. English is rich with idiomatic expressions that convey the idea of sudden failure or problems. Here are a few similar expressions. Hit a snag, encountering an unexpected difficulty. Go south, when something declines in value, quality, or condition. Fall apart, to break down or fail due to pressure or problems. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and help you express nuanced ideas about failure or unexpected challenges. And there we have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "the wheels come off." We've explored its literal and idiomatic meanings, origins, and how to use it in everyday language. We've also looked at similar expressions that enrich our conversations and writing. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to our language, helping us convey complex ideas in a few words. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use "the wheels come off" next time you describe a situation that didn't go as planned. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning!